Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to pair, connect and set up your AirTag on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or new iPhone Air in the easiest way possible. So let's get into the setup process. So first you have to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on because your iPhone uses Bluetooth to pair and connect the AirTag. Also, you have to make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is connected to a proper internet connection. Next, go to settings, then privacy and security, and open the location service. And here you have to also check that location service is turned on. Then tap share my location and make sure Find My is allowed to access your location properly. Once all of this is enabled, just pick up your AirTag and bring it too close to your iPhone. In most cases, you will instantly see the AirTag setup pop up on your screen. If you don't see any pop-up on your iPhone, that means your iPhone may need a quick restart. So just press volume up button, then volume down button once, and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone restarts, bring the AirTag. Now the setup pop-up should appear like this. Now go for connect. And now you have to choose what you want to use this AirTag for. You can select from the list or choose custom name if you want. Once you choose the name, your Apple ID will appear. Just confirm it and the AirTag will start the setup process right from your home screen. After the setup is complete, open the Find My app. Just go to the Items tab and you will see your newly connected AirTag appear here. So just go for it and now you will see all the features. You can find many options to explore. You can play a sound to find it. You can check the location or direction where your AirTag is. You can also turn on the lost mode. And now at the bottom, you can also rename the AirTag, change its icon, or remove it from your account if it's needed. And that's the way you can pair, connect, and set up your AirTag with your new iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or iPhone Air quickest and easiest way possible. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.